Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container retreat in Bremerton, United States. This amazing shipping container retreat is built using 7 shipping containers. The 7 shipping containers comprises of 4 containers that are stacked on one side and 3 containers on the opposite end, creating a big double volume space in the middle built out of conventional wood framing. The house accommodates a huge living room with very high ceilings, 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The main level has an open floor plan with a 450 square foot attached deck overlooking the trees and the steep ravine, while the second floor includes a loft with 300 square feet of an upper deck. Upon entering the house, the integration of spaces and the large windows are what makes the indoor spaces so special. The living room features a lavishly decorated lounge area with several distinct sitting areas for comfortable lounging, with pieces of accessories and an imposing European model fireplace that brings the coziness of a perfect night among friends. To keep the industrial side of the containers, the house was insulated from outside using fiber cement sheets and left the interior of the containers intact to celebrate the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. From the living area, there is a high-end kitchen which is completely open to the family room. Next to the kitchen is a lovely dining space with a custom-designed dining table that can comfortably sit 4 with additional bench seating. A gallery walkway on the second floor connects the 2 wings of the house. The walkway is also multifunctional and is divided into 4 sectors. The master bathroom features a double set of vanities with enough storage cabinets, large mirror, a toilet, a shower, and a floating bathtub. From outside, there is no single hint that this amazing house is built using shipping containers. The exterior is covered with fiber cement boards, making it look more of a conventional house. The large decks also offer garden views where you can relax any time of day while enjoying the pristine surroundings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.